Hi everyone. Usually these days I've been asked this question many times and I've seen a lot of people are also, asking this on various platforms. So I thought maybe I'll make a quick video on this. Especially this is to do with this eviction, the Section 21 especially. Many times people ask, Sumit, if you can explain us how does this Section 21 works? How do we serve it? What are the, things around it? So I thought, okay, let me just talk on the YouTube, and then of course people can hear me out there, and also this remains as a recording. So Section 21 is usually used to evict a tenant, mainly for no default eviction, where you don't really have to give any reasons why you want them to be out. More commonly used, you know, mostly the people that they use it, either they are selling the house or they want to move in back, or if tenant are in some sort of default or not making the payment. Also remember that you cannot serve the notice in the first 6 months, and it cannot expire before the fixed tenure of that AST tenancy. So just ensure, for example, if your tenancy is for 12 months, let's say started on 16th of September 2019, then it cannot end before the 16th of September 2020. So how do we serve that? So it's been served by way of Form 6, the Section 21 notice, which is a prescribed procedure, which means only one mistake can make the whole notice invalid. That's why we suggest that you use the right professional. We'll leave the link below to a company that we use it for this Section 21, so you can reach out to them. So how that works is basically you serve that notice on a prescribed form, and it has to be at least 2 months plus few days you allow for a post. So if you're posting by recorded post and everything, allow at least 3 days. If you're posting by hand, allow at least 1 day. If you're serving it on a weekend, then the deemed service date is the following working day, if it is served before 4 p.m. If it is served before 4 p.m., then it's considered as served on the same day. If it is served after 4 p.m., it can be considered as served on the following day, the following working day. Now, usually I suggest, what you do is when you're serving such notice, you make a proof of postage, or proof of service we call it. So if you're serving by hand, make sure you take a picture before you are serving. So let's say you take a picture of the notice, you take a picture of the door, and you take a picture of while you're dropping it. If no harm of even taking a whole video as well if you like, because you got to later on proof that how did you serve the service of this notice, and you can fill that form up for service of notice as well. So if you have any questions around how the Section 21 works, or if you really like to see, what are the current legislation going around this Section 21, the government is also coming up with some new legislations in the law. So put down all those under the comment section below, and if I can be of any other help, if you have any other further questions related to property, please feel free to write to us under the comment or write to our company, and we'll be more than happy to help. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please do subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. We'll look forward to seeing you then. Meantime, invest in your education and invest like a pro. Bye for now.